Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, why am I getting ants in the winter? We usually see ants in the house if we've left food out during the warmer months, but we usually don't see them invading during the winter. Rest assured, you're not dealing with some cold-resistant super ant. You might actually have an ant colony living inside your walls. Most ant colonies are active during the warmer months and become dormant underground when the temperatures drop. But if a colony of ants like carpenter ants have been established in your home's walls, they can remain active throughout the year because most homes and structures are kept at comfortable temperatures. Conduct an inspection to find evidence of ant activity. You can look for frass, entry points, or ants themselves to confirm their activity. You can follow trails of ants to find where they enter and exit the walls. A pro tip is not to smash any ants. You might end up causing the colony to bud, causing further trouble. Once you've confirmed you have an ant colony living in your walls, you can use a foaming insecticide like Fipro and baits like Anthrax to get control fast. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. A pro tip is not to smash any ants. And you can add that if you want to use it, and if you don't, you don't have to, but you don't want to smash the little mothers because you're going to cause a big giant problem because then they're going to split and split and split. And before you know it, you're not fighting one colony, now you're fighting 10 colonies.